So this is not a new law. This law was not made to prevent the influx in Meghalaya. This law was made to tackle the foreigners coming to India. So we are facing a very peculiar situation where the influx contributing to the state of Meghalaya comes from the foreign country and also from other states of India.
Your question, please.
So which is why even the constitution, because they used to say no, it violates the constitution, Article 19, freedom to travel to any part. So my question is that, I would like, a sincere reply from the government, whether the government is playing with the sentiment of the people as far as ILP is concerned.
Sir, we have written, and I have written letters to the Honorable Home Minister multiple times on the ILP. I have met the Honorable Home Minister and the Honorable Prime Minister multiple times on the ILP. I would like to know how many times have the Honorable Member met the Home Minister? How many times the LO has met the Honorable Home Minister?
I have not had the opportunity
Please
to meet because I'm
if
just
you are
an
serious
MA.
about ILP, how many
I
times
know
have
you are not serious
How many
in
times have you
tackling.
met?
If you are
How many
serious,
times have you met?
If you are serious,
How many
if
times
you
have
go
you
to
met?
Delhi, really serious.
How
If
many
you are serious,
times
go
have
to
you met?
Delhi. So what has the government done? Has the government written to the government of India challenging this presidential order? So that is my question, sir. So all these make us to believe, sir, that the government is not serious. And I would love if the Honorable Chief Minister would invite us, would call us also to move together to fight. Because when you are giving the option to the government of India, now you are giving an option, ILP Leit. That means whether you give ILP or you don't give anyone resemble to ILP. That is a weak negotiation, sir. So let us negotiate in a better way, sir. If you really want to get ILP and bring ILP into our state, sir.
So the Honorable Member keeps saying that we are not serious. Sir, our seriousness is in the action that we take. The number of times we have written to Government of India.
Yes.
I repeat, how many times has he written? He is free to go and meet the Honorable Home Minister. If he was serious, he would have met at least once. So giving a speech and a lecture is great. But your actual actions, as our Honorable Minister, Mr. Sanbar Shulai keeps saying, that sir, we don't talk much, but we act. We believe in acting, in action. We believe in action, sir. We believe in doing the work. And therefore we're doing, sir. Sir, we are very happy to have our opposition also to work with us. This is not a ruling party's issue or the opposition's issue. If you remember, sir, we had passed the resolution together in this house, as ruling and as opposition. So it is our duty to do this. And I request you pursue at your level also. We will also pursue. And if there's a possibility, we will go together. It will send a very positive message. So we are very much open to the ideas. But don't say and don't use this house to put the blame on the government, saying that we are not serious about ILP. Sir, we repeat, we are very serious. But as a government, as I said, it is our responsibility to explore options. There is nothing wrong in exploring options, sir. And if we just sit still and just wait for the government, I'm sure the opposition would say, oh, the government is not serious, they're not pursuing anything, they're not doing anything. So we are doing. So our whole purpose is to find ways and means to have that mechanism in place to check into this real issue. And we will continue, sir, as I said, to pursue the ILP. Thank you, sir.